Hi, my name is Treva Palinero, and I am a specialist with the mAC team. mAC stands for My Admin Concierge. I'm going to tell you a little bit about our origins and how we came to be here at PwC in Tampa. Admin Services recognized that there was a need for additional administrative support for client-facing non-partners of the firm. They focused on a couple of these key areas: employing better technology. For example, we all know we're going Google in a month's time. Well, the mAC team has set itself a challenge to go Google early because we want to help our clients transition into Google and make it as seamless as possible for them. So we have a thing called the Google Games, where we have little tasks that we do every week to try to upskill ourselves in Google and get ourselves ready for the launch. To be accessible beyond traditional business hours, because let's face it, nobody works 9 to 5 anymore. Everybody wants those later hours. Provide insight into the status of their work requests. They want to know how their work's coming along, when it's going to be delivered, and if we have anything that we can add of value to their requests. Evolve to meet the changing needs of our clients and improve the customer experience. Optimize the cost of the service and focus staff on revenue-generating activities. So mAC began as a pilot program here in Tampa in October 2014, so we're nearly a year old.
Ow!
So who are we? mAC is a team of virtual assistants. We provide assistance in handling the day-to-day administrative tasks so that our clients can focus on the needs of their clients. Our mAC concierge provides the single point of contact for our clients and sees those requests through to completion. Work is delegated from the concierge to the specialist, and the specialist completes the task and returns that finished product back to the concierge, who in turn returns that back to our clients. And our mAC hours were available from 7:30 a.m. to 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And you can see our night shift is still working over there at the telephone table. Who we support? We support client-facing non-partners of the firm in advisory, assurance, and tax. We also support engagement teams who come to mAC for additional support with their engagements. Our menu of services is broken down into 5 areas. The first being client engagement and deliverables, engagement letters, deliverables, editing and branding documents, data management, so IRIS support, DMS requests, CPE registrations, finance and billing, so GFS and MyEngage requests, dashboard reports, bill plans, WIP reports, WBS code setups and maintenance, general admin, hoteling, mail and courier service, event planning and scheduling, and travel time and expense, reservations, travel assistance, clearing buffers. And I think the interesting thing about us is we're separated into these different teams. So for example, I'm associated with client engagement and deliverables. That's my specialty. However, we're all expected to be proficient in any of these areas. So although you might come to me for formatting an engagement letter, you can also ask me to run a WIP report because I know how to do that as well. Yes. And so does the rest of my team. Okay, so this is a nice slide from our marketing package about how the work comes from our client service professionals, filtered through to the concierge, and down to the specialist functional teams, all overseen by our supervisors. I've got a couple other slides, though, that I think will really bring this home for everybody. So what do we got? We have a client who's obviously clearly overwhelmed. She's got an ACR, she's got a financial statement, and she needs major edits. So she's so overwhelmed, she says, but she remembers that she heard about a team called mAC. So she puts in a call to our mAC concierge. They all look like that, by the way. The concierge hits the red button and says, we got a live one! And the specialists are notified of their need by their concierge. The specialists then tool up and prepare to tackle the task at hand. So while the team is completing their task, they realize that not only does this client need ACR and financial statement help, she's also got a travel request. She needs to go to Helsinki tonight. So yes, of course, mAC always crosses the streams. So we've got engagement deliverables, and we need travel too. So when we're done with that, our concierge delivers that completed product back to our client. And obviously our client is relieved and happy to receive that back from mAC. support. Who are you going to call? Not Ghostbusters. Not Ghostbusters. Call Matt, my editor.